Grandma. Grandma's outside. You see Grandma?
Yeah.
You don't see her?
No.
Who's in your class? Tell me who your friends are.
We will go in there.
You want to go in there?
Yes.
No. You're not going in there. Daddy and DJ went in there. They'll be right back. They'll be right back. Well, who are your friends at school?
No.
No? You're not going to tell me?
No.
Who's your teachers?
Lego.
What's your teacher's name?
Lego, the bug.
What?
The bug.
You see a bug?
Yes.
Where's a bug? Smash him. Smash him with your feet. Smash him. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet.
Yeah.
Are you getting your feet? What are you doing?
The bug.
It's a bug. Is he a nasty bug?
Yes.
Say he's disgusting.
And there's the bug.
It's a bug?
That's nice bug.
Nasty bug? Grandma? Where's Grandma?
It's here. It's
You
right.
see? She's outside.
Yeah.
Is the bug disgusting?
Ow. Ow.
You want your shoe off?
Yeah.